The best strategy for binary options is the one that repeats itself constantly, and I believe that's the secret to making money with binary options. If you want to be profitable, if you want to make money with binary options, you need to understand that the important thing is to identify the patterns that repeat over and over again. One of the patterns that repeats itself constantly is support and resistance. And it's one of the simplest strategies. Why could this be the simplest strategy? Because it shows us patterns that occur consistently, patterns that we can easily identify and that we can trade within a specific time frame to win the trade. It doesn't matter if we win by 1 pip, 2 pips, or in the very last second. That doesn't matter. What matters is that we win the trade at the right time and in the right way. How can you identify support and resistance? Here, I'm showing you some basic examples of support and resistance so you can understand that the pattern repeats itself constantly. It has repeated and it continues to respect the pattern. In this area, it has respected it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and it could even be respected an 8th time. The key is to identify support and resistance patterns on higher time frames. In this case, we can identify them on the 15-minute chart, but I wouldn't open a trade on the 15-minute time frame. I would open the trade on the 5-minute or maximum 10-minute time frame. That way we can have an edge in the market. Patterns always repeat in the market. It's a fractal market. The important thing is for you to take advantage of those patterns that occur again and again in the market. And I'm not the only one saying this. You can spot these patterns as many times as you want. We see the pattern that started on the 15-minute chart. It respected its support and resistance 1, 2 times, not even counting the others. That's 2 opportunities where you could have entered and won a trade. What do I recommend you look at before placing a support or resistance? Liquidity. You need to look at liquidity, and liquidity is shown by wicks. These wicks you see here, those wicks represent liquidity, and that's what you need to look for. If you see support and resistance areas with long wicks, that's exactly where you should take your trade. Long wick equals trading opportunity, and we can keep repeating this, looking for one support and resistance level at a time, finding patterns that consistently repeat so you can apply this strategy. Test it out, let us know how it goes. The link to Pocket Option is below the video so you can open an account. If you open an account or deposit using the link below, I have an MT5 indicator that will show you support and resistance levels and send you a message telling you where to buy and where to sell. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.